If you are into DIY and have been looking for an easy and quick way to craft the right size tenons and mortices you need to build your favorite piece of furniture, then you definitely need to consider buying a tenoning jig. This compact and easy to handle tool is exactly what you need to cut your boards out to perfection, seamlessly and with no smudges. It will make you save precious time and will definitely improve your cutting performance. Here we have curated a list of some of the best tenoning jigs available for purchase right now. Take a look at the different features and performance levels and choose the one that best suits the craft maker that dwells inside of you. You're bound to find the perfect tenoning jig for your needs among our recommendations. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. General Tools Pro Mortice and Tenoning Jig. Commencing with our top selection, we've chosen a comprehensive tool solution enabling simultaneous cutting of both tenon and mortice. The 870EZ Pro Mortice and Tenon Jig by General Tools offers versatility and durability, ready for immediate use without requiring assembly. This advanced tenoning jig is capable of crafting 1 4-inch mortise and tenon joints for various furniture projects. With included bushings, you can also create 3 8-inch and 1 2-inch joints, expanding its versatility. Additionally, this tool enables swift cutting of multiple tenons and mortises from a single workpiece. Constructed from sturdy aircraft-grade aluminum, this practical tenoning jig ensures accuracy and precision through its clamps and swing arms, enabling secure alignment and fixation of wooden boards for enhanced performance. Furthermore, it's effortlessly mountable on any portable workbench or clamped onto a bench, offering convenience and adaptability in various work setups. Number 2. Trend Tenon and Mortice Jig. Our premium selection is this versatile dual-function tenoning jig designed to effortlessly cut precisely sized tenons, mortices and dowel joints with a simple one-setting setup. Capable of handling stock up to 1/2 thick and 4 wide, it features a reversible template for crafting both round and square end tenons. Additionally, the angle bar and main plate on the routing tool are adjustable from 10 deg to 45 deg, enhancing its versatility further. The Tenon and Mortice jig by Trend comes complete with mounting hardware, including a setup bar with guide bush, a cutter selection chart, 4 F-style clamps, and 7 guide bushings, enabling production of tenons and mortices ranging from 1/4 to 5/8 thick. Constructed with precision-cut steel mainframe and plates, it offers quick and effortless adjustment via the setup bar. The screwing guide bushes facilitate the creation of 5 different sizes of tenons and mortices. The included T-wrench allows adjustment of the angle joint, while the clamps ensure secure fixation of the stock. Number 3. ShopFox W1500 Right Angle Jig. Featuring top-quality aluminum construction and ergonomically designed handles with comfortable finger slots, this robust and long-lasting machine is precisely what you need for your woodworking tasks. Perfect for achieving precise cuts effortlessly, the W1500 Right Angle Jig by ShopFox is ideal for creating custom-sized tenons and mortices to ensure durable furniture pieces. Not limited to tenons and mortises, this versatile tool excels in cutting dados, rail ends, and finger joints with exceptional precision. Moreover, it facilitates cutting, shaping, and sanding tasks flawlessly, ensuring high-quality results every time. This high-precision tool enables efficient and safe operation thanks to its secure clamps. Its built-in rails allow for seamless sliding of the working material, enabling repeated passes without the need to reposition the piece, which is securely held in place by the clamps. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.